Bluetooth earbuds. They all look the same and work the same. Until now. This is the Morph Infinite Connect True Wireless. We designed and engineered these for today's multi-device world. Pair it with all your devices and rapidly switch connection to any device, anytime you want. We made a smart charging case with its own embedded processor and an OLED display screen. Beautifully crafted in a matte black finishing, this smart case is the user interface for your earbuds. Switch connections seamlessly via the smart case. Watch the morning news on your Android tablet, then switch to your iPhone for your favorite music as you head out to work. You have complete audio control, from volume to transparency mode to toggling ANC, all from an intuitive user interface. And it has an OLED display, showing vital stats such as battery life, so you know you will not run out of power during a call. This is the Morph Infinite Connect True Wireless, the earbuds for your entire day. The earbuds last an amazing 24 hours on a single charge and 50 hours with a charging case, so you can leave them in your ears the whole day. And one more thing, it's Bluetooth 5.2 and LE audio ready. Tune into LE audio broadcast sources easily, then switch out to your personal device anytime you want and jump back in right after. Seamless switching, an amazing user experience. You are ready for this new world. We've integrated premium tier features such as transparency mode, Qualcomm adaptive ANC, always-on voice assistant, true wireless mirroring, aptX voice, aptX adaptive, 8th gen CVC processing, and it is IPX5 rated. As a startup, Morph has been on the market for a year selling our current Bluetooth neckband earphones. Our happy customers have given us hundreds of 5-star reviews for our amazing audio quality, unbeatable comfort fit, and beautiful aesthetics. The Morph Infinite Connect is our next product, and it's already at a working prototype stage. Our mission is to disrupt the earbuds market by bringing a completely new user experience standard to this industry. We ask for your help in this crowdfunding campaign to bring the future of true wireless to reality. Join us!
I started Status Audio 6 years ago from my Brooklyn apartment with a simple idea: build premium, unbranded headphones that deliver more for less. Since then, we've won praise from technology editors, music professionals, and most importantly, a loyal group of over 250,000 listeners worldwide. With the Between Pro, we wanted to try something totally different. There's just too many overpriced, underwhelming wireless earbuds that all essentially look and sound the same. So we reimagined design and technology to build the best sounding, best fitting, most advanced wireless earbuds in the world. The difference is simply in the quality of the components that we're using. So the Between Pro have what's called a triple driver system. Inside each earbud are 3 speaker drivers for a total of 6 components producing sound. The earbuds that you've likely used in the past have just 1 speaker driver per earbud. That means that the entire frequency spectrum, from the low bass notes through the mids and up into the higher, more sibilant textures, are all being reproduced by just 1 driver. These products are inherently limited in how good they can sound. The Between Pro launches later this year for $169, but we're taking to crowdfunding to offer early discounts of over 50%. With your support, we can make this product a reality and get more people hearing great sound. Thank you so much.
Oh wow, this is amazing.
For a hearing aid.
Oh, whoa!
I spent about $2,500 on those. It's very, very frustrating considering what I paid for them. I never felt they fit properly, and I was always having trouble getting the sound adjusted correctly.
Say if I go to a cafe, if I go to a restaurant, or even if I'm just, walking in the streets and communicating with another person, that's the time that I actually use it.
Boom, 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 yeah.